To enable developer mode and USB debugging, you'll first need to unlock developer options by tapping the build number within the About Phone settings 7 times. Then, navigate to Developer Options, which will appear under System Settings, and toggle on USB debugging. Connect PCE smartphone with USB. Download Caustic on PC and smartphone. Then download SDK for developer on PC and extract the file. At this point, double-click to enter the folder you just extracted. Another click to go even deeper. In this folder called Platform Tools, you have to drag Caustic. This is a really important step. At this point, open Command Prompt. You have to write CD, press space. Now you have to go to the Platform Tools folder and copy its address with right mouse click. Go back to Command Prompt and insert the address with the right mouse click. Press Enter. Write ADB. Press space. Write install. Press space. Write bypass low target SDK block. Press space. Go back to the Platform Tools folder, left-click on Caustic and drag it to the Command Prompt page. Press Enter. Now look at the phone. The Caustic icon should have appeared. If it has not appeared, it could be due to the fact that the phone went into standby, or very likely a typing error on the Command Prompt page, or even Windows Defender. Anyway, I had to make a few attempts before it worked.